Yeah, so this is my sole focus now, JetMate. Plumbing for 22 years and pulled the pin on that, just wrapping up a few loose ends with the plumbing company. So yeah, focus on this. I've got a new product coming soon. Keep your eyes peeled. Yeah, I want to set up jetting starter kits with the rods, this new idea that's coming out. I won't release too much on that. Obviously the JetMate, it's just going to save you so much time and effort, guys. It's a safer, easier, quicker way to jet. Aussie made and owned from the most durable materials. Don't dig, get yourself a JetMate.